Hello guys, my name is Nitin and today I'm going to tell you how I made loss of 1700 rupees. 1700 rupees, this is the 10% of my account. So 10, as you know that I have account of 13,000 rupees. I placed several orders today in bank and FT. I trade in options but today I'm going to tell you only about two orders which are main orders where I made profit and loss. Okay, first I took one trade here and I exited here with the 5% profit. No, 3.5% profit, which is 500 rupees, which is a very good amount for a account of 13,000 rupees. 3.5% is very good. Then I took second trade here over here on this candle because I knew this is the today's high, and most of you traders know that when Nifty breaks its high, the day is high, it goes, the most probably chances, most probably it would go upside. So I took trade here and I placed my stop loss here, or as what I thought. Why I'm saying this? Okay, I will tell you. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I was expecting, like, if market goes down, I will. This was my stop loss, and I was expecting to go market like this. And if I would not, if I if I don't get my target today, I would, just give me 1 minute. I took trade here. Okay? If I would not get my target today, I would hold because the expiry is 3 days go. There is 3 days to expiry. So I was expecting market in the same way as it moved, and my stop loss was here, and I was so confident. I took the trade and I wept. I was not watching the market, and after some time I came when market was somewhere here on this candle, and I was happy. I was very happy, and I was expecting a profit. But what I saw this this amount, a loss of 1300, the loss of 1700 and 13 rupees. Okay, what happened today? Just I marked my stop loss here, but it was not here. It was here. I don't know how it happened, but it was here. Maybe it was because of that I took I am trading in options, and as you know, in the same day, on the same levels, like, if you see this on this level in the same day, you don't know what premium you will get. So maybe because of that, my stop loss hit here and the market went back. There was nothing, and like, there was nothing bad in my analysis. It was very good, and I knew it would go here, and I know even tomorrow market will touch this place and will come down. But today I lost. I lost just because of But as you know, I don't have money to trade in the futures because I have only 13,000 13,000 rupees, and I cannot take even a single lot in futures. And I don't trade in stocks because you cannot really predict where they are going, and they are single stocks. And I don't want to trade in stocks. In Nifty, you can check every single time market follows the price action in intraday, as I have seen. So I love Nifty, but there's issue with this that I don't have enough cash to trade in futures, and in options there are some issues. But what I learned today is when you are trading in options, always keep watching the price and with the current Nifty chart, and especially when you are trading in intraday. This is the most important rule. Please let me know in the comments, like it happened to it happened with you, or in what stage you are. I'm just learning. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and be the part of my journey. And you can also watch my other videos for learning. Like this is the playlist where I am uploading my everyday profit and loss. I have this is my second video, and I this is the lost as well. This is and you can say it's my trading diary. It's my trading video diary. In my last video, I made a loss of six more than 6,000 rupees. Now 1,700 rupees. It may not look very huge to you because you are trading in very big monies, but for me, it's 10% of my account or more than 10% of my account. So it matters to me, and I'm trying to analyze why I lost. So, so most important thing, whether you lose or win, it does not matter. But what matters is you should analyze why you are winning. If you are losing, you should analyze why you are losing. And if you are winning, you must know why you won that trade so that you can repeat the same pattern again and again. So I know that when you are trading in the option, keep watching the price because it can go up and down anytime, and you don't know what premium on the level of what price. Like if I'm getting here on this candle and on this level, if I'm getting a premium of 150 rupees, it does not matter how I will get 150 rupees on the same level on this candle because the time is changed in options. Maybe I would receive only 140 rupees here. So just keep watching on the price. Okay traders, please like this video, and one more request to you. Please give your suggestion to me so that I can improve my trading, or if you want to know that how I draw these lines and why the Nifty is following these trends. Like I know if the market is going down this line, it will go till here, and I just exited exactly here, and I entered here, and I know market will not go down below this line, and it went back, and I know market will touch this, and as you can see, it's touching here, and if you see the my risk to reward ratio, it's more than 2%. Two, it's more than two, which is pretty cool. And if you want to know how I'm doing this, Just let me know in the comment and I will upload a video for this. And in future, if I get 1000 like on this video, I will upload this video and give the link in the description box. You can check there. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a good day, guys. Thank you for watching.